Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Wispr Flow AI. Tutorial for beginners. In this quick, beginner-friendly walkthrough, you'll learn how to use Wispr Flow AI to enter text by speaking, using Microsoft Word as the place where your words will appear. This is a simple process, and once you try it a couple of times, it becomes very natural. To begin, open the Wispr Flow app on your device. Make sure the app is running properly before moving on, since this is the tool that will listen to your voice and turn your speech into text. If it takes a moment to load, just wait until it is fully open and ready. Having the app active first helps everything work more smoothly in the next steps. Next, open Microsoft Word. You can use a blank document or an existing one, depending on what you want to work on. The important thing is that Word is open and ready to accept typed, or in this case, dictated text. This setup allows Wispr Flow to send your spoken words directly into the document. Once Word is open, click on the text box or the area in the document where you want the words to appear. This step is important because it tells Word exactly where the incoming text should go. If the cursor is not placed in the correct spot, your speech may not appear where you expect it. So take a second to confirm that the text cursor is active in the right location. After that, press the Wispr Flow command to start dictation. This command activates the tool so it begins listening for your voice input. If you are using this for the first time, it may help to pause briefly after activating the command so the app has time to begin listening. Speaking too early can sometimes cause the first word to be missed. Now simply speak to enter words into the document. Try to speak clearly and at a steady pace so Wispr Flow can capture your voice accurately. As you talk, your words should begin appearing in Word automatically. If needed, you can pause between phrases to check that everything is being entered correctly. This can be especially helpful when you are first getting used to the tool. That's all there is to it. Open Wispr Flow, open Word, click into the text area, activate the Wispr Flow command, and then speak to enter your text. With a little practice, this can become a fast and convenient way to write hands-free.